Today we're going to be doing bumper removal on the BMW 535i Xdrive. Main reason I'm doing it, I gotta replace or try to fix the headlight. There's been a lot of condensation going on, especially on rainy days, the day after. So in order to remove the headlight unit, you need to remove the front bumper. So we're gonna start by getting this trim removed and getting all these plastic clips on both sides. On the left side you gotta remove that, on the right side, and like I said, the trim, and there's a bunch of those clips all around it as well. You need to get yourself some tools to get these plastic fasteners, clips removed easy. Just be gentle not to break them. I would recommend also buy yourself some extra ones, just so you have as a backup in case you break some. But yeah, get them all out, and then you have 1, 2, I think 4 screws. This side it's T30 to get these removed. Here it is, the left side removed. Just keep in mind you have one clip here and one over there, with the same on the other side when you're removing both left and right panel. So after removing both panels, just set them aside. I didn't remove the whole rubber trimming, so I just put them to the side, just like this. And then you can continue removing the rest of the screws for the bumper. You would also need to remove these plastic covers right here, right by the fog lights, because there's another plastic fastener right here, so you would need to remove that. Just be gentle. This is how the clips are. There's 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top. You need to again get that removed and get this one right here removed. And then on the bottom, I think you have about 8 of these screws. Get those removed, and then you also have 3 right by the wheel. So turn the wheel on one side so you can get these 3 removed, and then after you remove those, get the plastic pulled out, and right above there you have 2 screws that hold the bumper as well. You will need to get those removed as well. So here's the bumper down. After you get it out, just gently put it on the ground. You don't need to disconnect all the wires or everything. Just gently leave it on the floor. When it comes to removing the light, there are 4 screws. One is right here, one right there, and there's 2 on the bottom. One is right there, and one all the way in the back over there. You can access it actually from over here, and it's right down there. I've removed the light already, so you can see that one is connected right there. And yeah, it's a little difficult to get this one, but you can still get it out. So, and once you get the light out, just disconnect the wiring harness, and then you can work on the light. So once again, here's the right headlight. Headlight is attached with 4 screws. One right there, one right here, and then you have 2 behind the plastic panel right by the wheel. and if you pull the panel out, you'll be able to see it. There's one here and one in the back.